Welcome back to District 11 CRM. Let's dive into how to edit opportunities. You can easily filter opportunities by stage: prospect, business opportunity, proposal, verbal, closed, lost, or won. Now let's check out an opportunity in the proposal stage. Simply click right and edit, so we can change the stage from proposal to won. And just like that, you can update the description to explain why you won the deal. For example, we won this opportunity as we were very competitive. Now, hit Save button to save your opportunity. Now, this opportunity is marked as won and shows up under the won list. As simple as it is, you can see all of your changes are updated in a second with District 11 CRM. Next, let's filter by the verbal stage, for example, and find another opportunity. After finding the opportunity, we want to edit. Click right and edit, and change it from verbal to lost. Again, we update the description to explain why we lost this deal. Something simple that people can read quickly. For example, we lost because our pricing were too high for this client. Hit Save button. And now you can see both your won and lost opportunities are filtered for each stage. If you want to click on the menu left on dashboard, you will see that the opportunities won and lost are appearing in your dashboard. With District 11 CRM, it's easy to track and edit your opportunities, keeping everything organized and up to date. Want to try it yourself? Sign up today and keep your sales pipeline up to date.